The 2026 Forester Wilderness makes a bold impression. Rugged upgrades include 17-inch matte anthracite wheels wrapped in Yokohama, all-terrain tires and a suspension lift boosting ground clearance to 9.3 inches, a bump up from the standard Forester and previous Wilderness model. You get a tougher front end, redesigned grille, hexagonal LED fog lights, protective underbody cladding, and copper-accented towhook covers. At the rear, updated bumpers, sturdy roof rails rated for 800-pound static load, plus underbody protection. Signal real off-road purpose. Every angle tells you this Forester means business. Interior parts step inside and Subaru blends durability with style. StarTech's water-resistant upholstery and copper accents continue from the exterior into the cabin. The 11.6-inch portrait touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and there's an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with adventure-themed graphics. Materials feel rugged yet cleanable, not luxury, but perfectly suited for outdoor life. Comfort level. Thanks to Subaru's stiffer global platform, the Wilderness brings a quieter and more refined ride resting on a platform noted for reducing noise, vibration, and harshness. Suspension tuning soaks up bumps, while tall windows and upright seating deliver great visibility, ideal for both road and trail. Rear cabin space is generous, and with seats folded, cargo stretches to about 69 CUFT. Performance. Under. The Hood is a 2.5-liter boxer engine producing 180 horsepower and 178 pounds-ft of torque, mated to a CVT with a shorter final drive ratio for better low-speed control. Subaru's symmetrical WD now features quicker center diff, lockup and torque vectoring, plus dual mode X mode for snow, dirt, and deep snow mud. You also get hill descent control and an upgraded transmission cooler enabling a 3,500 lb, towing capacity 500 pounds more than before. Approach, breakover, and departure angles hit 23.5, 21, and 25.5, making this Forester capable off-road. Out on trails, it's stable and confident. On-road, suspension refinements bring improved comfort over prior models. Conclusion. 2. Wrap up, the 2026 Forester Wilderness stays true to Subaru's core.